Hi, so this is going to be day 325 of consistently helping people build consistency. Hi, I'm Laksana, just an average person trying to be consistent. And you know what? I believe one of the best way on how you can actually be consistent at doing positive things like exercising, meditating, studying, and lots of more things is to basically just have a clear social support around you. So here's the thing. Imagine that one friend of yours, okay? Just like imagine inside of your head. Like if I say a person that really cared about you, who's the first person that comes inside of your mind? It can be your friend, it can be your family, it can be, your teacher maybe, right? So basically, the thing that we are going to be doing here is that we are going to be going to that person and basically explain the urgency why we need to be consistent at doing some particular thing. So for example, I just come to one of my best friend, my bro, let's just say he's my bro, right? And I just explain to him like, hey bro, you know what? I really want to exercise consistently because I want to be healthy. I want to be able to, be active on my old days. I also want to look good. I want to be respected by myself and other people. And exercising is one of the best way to achieve it. Okay, just explain all the urgency why you wanted to be consistent at doing that particular thing. And then the thing that we are going to be doing here is that we are going to be giving, we are going to be making a commitment to that one friend. So, for example, you know what, bro, since exercising is really important for me and I currently really struggle to exercise consistently, I commit to you, I'm going to be exercising for at least 5 minutes every single day. Okay, that's an example. So basically, why this simple method is going to be effective in helping us stay consistent? Precisely because, hey, since this person really care about us, and also like we also care about this person, right? When we just tell him or her about the reasons why we want to do some particular thing, he he or she is going to expect us to actually succeed in doing that particular thing, right? Because he wants the best for us. He or she wants to see us be happy. And one of the way we can actually be happy is to by actually fulfilling the goals that we explain to them. That's really important for us, right? So we kind of have this awareness that hey, you know what? This person will care about me. He wanted to see me succeed. You know what? I really want to succeed, and I also want to show them that hey, you know what? I succeed in doing my goals that I told to you that I'm gonna be doing. Okay. I want to, there's something at stake now because we do not want to disappoint him. We do not want to disappoint her. Okay. So basically, this method is precisely effective because, hey, we do not want to disappoint him. And also, we want to make him or her see us succeed, right? So that's how you basically be consistent at doing something. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and join our Discord. You can also support my long-form videos on Gumroad by buying me a coffee. It would really be meaningful for me. And for today's date authenticity post, today's May 29th, 2025, and memes are posted a stunt double post last 24 hours, GMT +7, but this video might be uploaded like 1 or 2 days from now because I do not have an editor. Thank you.